We got something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come me. You will spend
Too bad around the holiday still.
But the holiday, so you give thanks. No?
Yeah, man. You know, say that January still gone.
So we have a roast here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you have a roast in a fire. Roast jam in a file paper.
Okay. And you put on the saltfish.
Roast saltfish, man. We cook one, but that done.
Okay. Alright. Cook up saltfish in our pot. Now we have sweet potato. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, man. Really appreciate it. Yam down on the fire down here, so.
Yeah, man, I put in some fresh yam, you know?
Nice.
Nice girl.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, yeah, man.
And we have sweet potato here, so
Sweet
on the fire.
potato, yeah, man. Cook saltfish.
As a cook saltfish.
Yeah, nice. So we roast some saltfish here, so we have a
Yeah,
roast
man,
saltfish.
roast saltfish over here.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.